Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do some product research for your Amazon FBA business. But before we start, I want to invite you guys to join my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to post the link below, and that way you guys can network with other Amazon sellers and also attend my free weekly calls that I do inside my group. So yeah, with that being said, I'm going to show you guys some examples of products that you guys can sell on Amazon. And then we're going to go through some data and we're going to decide if the product is good or not. So yeah, this one is what is this? Like a towel. And then this one is the supply of the product, right? So now what we do is we compare, compare and see if the products are matching. So we usually look at the title, description, size, color, right? So channel, texture, kitchen cloth, okay. Looks like the same. And then from here, you plug in the cost, which is $14.99. Okay. So this one looks good. It's giving you a 30% ROI, 32 sales a month, which is kind of on the low side. And then if you look at the other sellers, these are your competition. So as you guys can see, this guy right here, or this seller right here, has a buy box. Wait a second. Oh yeah, has a buy box. So this is the buy box, right? The person who has a buy box gets most of the sales, or is getting the current amount of sales for this listing. So yeah, so this thing is selling at 31 times a month, or 32, I think. Yeah, 32 times a month is giving you about a 32% ROI minimum. And then if you look at the Keepa chart, I mean, it's honestly pretty choppy as far as the price fluctuation. But recently it's been sitting at like $32, and here's kind of dipping. But if it's choppy on the Keepa chart, I usually go look at the other sellers, and then I kind of see where the price is going for this product. So obviously for this one, it's selling at $30.86 all the way to like $35. So I want to say it's pretty stable as far as the price, and plus this thing has, or is giving you a 32% ROI at least. So it's giving you enough cushion, right, for price drops. But based on the current prices of these sellers, I don't think there's going to be any drastic price drop, right? So to me, this is a pretty okay product. 30% ROI at least. It's selling at 30 times a month. So to me, this one is good. Okay, next product. So next product, I think, is similar product, but different colors. So again, we compare, right? And can just kind of look at the color, title, description, size of the product. So this one is a channel, texture, kitchen cloth. Okay. Color is pomegranate. Cost is about $14. Sale price on Amazon is $29. So it's giving you a 35% ROI. It's selling at 40 times a month. And then if you look down, these are all your other sellers on the listing. So there's 6 FBA sellers and 2 FM sellers. I like to look at the whole thing, right? And then make a decision. So again, this one is selling at 40 times a month. And these are all your other sellers. This is how much they have in inventory at the moment. It's giving you a 35% ROI at least. And then if you look at the Keepa chart, again, it's pretty choppy, right? It goes up and down a lot. So if that's the case, I usually like to look at SellerAmp. And then I look at the current price fluctuation here. It seems like it's selling from $29.94 all the way to like $34. So nothing really crazy. And I think this one's good, right? It's giving you a 40 40 sales a month. It's giving you at least a 35% ROI. I think the competition is pretty decent, so this one is good. Next product is a Lakeshore Learning Materials, Lakeshore Edition machine, electronic adapter. Okay, so it's an edition machine for learning, right? So this one is currently, or let's see, it's the same product. Looks the same. Yeah, looks the same. So edition machine. So this one is $14.99, right? $14.99. Oh, it's not that one. For $14.99. Is there any coupons? No, I don't see any coupons. But this one is on discount, I believe. So this one is good. So this one is giving you a 50% ROI, which is really good. Sales per month is 52. I mean, it's not the best. And then from here, we look at the other sellers. So again, this one is selling at 52 times a month. It's giving you an ROI of at least 50%. And if you look at the Keepa chart, I mean, it used to be priced higher, and then recently it kind of is dropping, but it's staying at about, I want to say like $40 right there. So yeah, the price is pretty stable. It's giving you a high ROI, but my only concern with this is that it's only selling 52 cents a month, right? And then you have all these sellers right here. I mean, yeah, it's a lot of sellers. There's 18 FBA sellers and one FBM seller. So to me, the ratio between the sales per month versus other sellers, is pretty uneven. Meaning there's more supply than demand, right? So yeah, I don't think I'm willing to share 50 sales a month with all these people, even if I'm getting a big ROI. So to me, this is going to be a pass. But I would wait maybe like a few months, and keep this product, and kind of and maybe like circle back in a few months and see if there's any changes with the seller count. But as of today, this one is not good because again, it's only selling at 50 times a month, and there's so many people on this listing. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys got value from the video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, please do so. And that way you guys can attend my free weekly trainings and also network with other sellers that are selling on Amazon. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.